Hello guys, let me show you another interesting product of Parkside, this profile gauge. I'm sure you have already seen such product from other manufacturers, but a couple of things here are really interesting. First, the low price, it costs about 7 euros if I remember right. And second, the 4 magnets on the backside of the ruler intended for attaching the device when measuring and transferring shapes over magnetic surfaces. Frankly, you won't be needing those magnets in most of the cases, but it's a cool feature anyway. Let's open it and take a better look. We have a manual, some sort of a manual, and this is how the profile gauge looks like. As you can see, we have 2 scales on the ruler, one in inches and one in centimeters, the 4 magnets on the back side. Unfortunately, we don't have a locking device. I have seen such on other profile gauges. Here, you have to press firmly the ruler in order to block the movement of the pins. Not the best decision, but that's what you get for such a low price. For those of you who aren't aware, you can use this device for transferring complex shapes and complex profiles over tiles, laminates, woodworking materials, and so on. Let me show you a few examples. Let's say you want to cut a tile that fits perfectly the complex shape of your door frame. Well, using the gauge, it's pretty easy. Just push it against the door frame and voila, here you have the complex shape. Now the only thing you have to do is place the gauge over the tile and cut it accordingly. In case you want to cut the laminate according to the pipes in your room, again pretty easy. And here is the complex shape of the 2 pipes. Did some Google search, but I couldn't find so cheap profile gauge, so I might say another good one from Lidl. That's all from me, you know the drill, thumbs up and subscribe.